Hi guys, my name is Lisa and I have Levi with me. Levi is my 1-year-old cat, and today, if he decides to stick in the picture, I doubt it, but we're gonna open a new box to the channel called the Meogic box. I want to thank the company for sending me this box for my review. They've been a very kind company to work with, and I appreciate receiving this box to show you all. This is a bi-monthly box. You'll get it every 2 months. It is a subscription. The prices start as low as $28.99. You're going to have surprise toys for your cat. You're going to have useful items for your home. Everything is cat related. So, oh, he's still here. Just checking. Let's go ahead and open this. This one is actually their welcome box, and they put in a little card that shows everything that I'm going to show you. And they were very kind to let me pick the items, pick the box which I wanted to show you guys. So let's go into the surprise toys. There's 2 boxes of toys, and since Levi is here, I'm going to show him that you can't peel it back, but I'm going to open it from the bottom because sometimes, a lot of times, I do regift these items to friends because I have tons of cat toys, and Levi won't necessarily be interested in everything, even though he is a pretty curious cat. Look at this, Levi. Wait a second. Come here. My cat has something caught in his claw. No. Oh, there we go. That is pretty funny. All right, this is what he had. I was just going to show you the toy, but since he grabbed this is a pooper scooper, and there's a wooden handle and nice grating on it. I can definitely, obviously, use this. Levi's indoor outdoor cat, so he poops outside, he pees outside, but he also uses his litter box, which we clean religiously because nothing smells worse than a disgusting litter box. So this is really nice, actually. I love the little grating. It seems to be made actually very well, and that's the first very useful thing. But let me get back to the toys. Levi, you don't want to play with that because you get your nails caught in that, and he's going right for it. All right, well, let's go to this. This is really cute. I guess I'm not regifting this at all. I'm going to keep it. I'm opening it. Let's see what this thing is for the cat. Oh, it's a little bib. I believe this is a little bib. I think it is. It doesn't say, but I wonder if my little boy will wear it. Let's see. You want to wear this? Yeah? You into that? Let's see. Aw, don't you look cute? I don't think he's gonna like it though, but let's see. Here's a Levi in a little bib. All right, it's just a bib. It's just a bib. There he is. Aw, he cute. He cute. All right, let me take it off because I think you've never worn anything around your neck before. There you go. Here. He's just gonna go play with it. Or play with the paper that dropped on the floor. So that's the first thing. It's very cute. And the little taggy came off good. Don't like little taggies. So that's really cute. I just kind of figuring out what that is. Kind of what's that TV show I watched with my son and my husband? I can't remember. Some sci-fi thing. Anyway, that's the first toy. Let's go to the second one. It's in this little box. It's a mystery box. I'm going to open it at the bottom. Let's see what Levi thinks of this. Look, Levi. Here. Ooh. Oh. Now this is a bunch of cellophane little balls. You want to try these? Here. Want to get in the picture? Here. Let's see what you think of these. He's like, Mommy, you woke me from my nap to do this. Want to try that? What is that? What is that? What is that? Okay. These you can probably make yourself. I don't know, if you have the time. Here's one of those crafty people. I consider myself kind of crafty. All right, he's gonna play with that. All right, so those are the two toys. The second toy, he's playing with it, he's biting it. Let's go to a very practical item, which I could definitely use. This is a nail clipper. Meogic packaging. Ooh. This is some nail clipper. I take this off. So I do cut Levi's nails with my husband. Oh, it's a little plastic thing to catch the nail clippings. We do cut his nails. This is quite the heavy duty. Looks a little intimidating, but it's probably much better than the nail clippers that we're using. And not really sure. Oh, it lights up. That is very cool. So you can get nice and close and personal with the light. Very nice. We're gonna have to tackle him later and clip his nails. That's really cool. I really, in all seriousness, I need that. I need that pooper scooper. Never can have too many pooper scoopers, right? What's this? This is another thing we need. Wow. Now this is quite the hair comb. Meow. I'm not really sure what this thing is here. Oh, duh. You comb your cat's hair and you push it out with this little thing. Let me try. He likes it. He likes it. And then you just take the little thing and you push out the hair, right? Or makes it easier to get. I don't know, but I do know this is useful. And it says $18 on it. I don't know if that's true or not. $18, Meogic. Okay, this has been a little disjointed, and I'm quite sorry. It's me. It's not you. It's definitely me. Last thing in the box is a t-shirt, and they asked for my t-shirt size. I usually wear a medium, but I asked for the extra large because I saw this shirt and I was just like, oh, this would make a really cute sleep shirt. Or my son, if he wants to wear it, he's 21, he likes to wear big baggy clothes. This is the extra large. Ooh, and isn't that adorable? You got the little cat breaking out of where? I don't know. This is nice material. No, you cannot scratch that. It's a shirt. Stop. I don't know what it's made out of. I don't see. It's weird. It's a shirt, and they marked it as $22 on the packaging. It feels like very nice cotton. There's no tag, which is fine. I don't like tags on my clothes. And it's white, obviously, and stretchy. And it has a very cute cat on it. So let me do a quick recap. We got the really cute shirt. We got the lighted nail clipper. Perfect. We got the hair comb. Perfect. We got the pooper scooper. Perfect. We got these two little toys here. Perfect. Very cute. And we got the little bib with the little sci-fi like eyeball. I'm gonna put this on Levi. He kind of likes, he might like that. Or actually, I like it. So guys, tell me what you think of the box. Thank you again, Meogic, for sending it to me. I really think there's a lot of useful items in here. I could definitely use this in my household, and I so appreciate you sending me this box for a review. I'll leave the website in the description down below. You can look at the various plans and check them out. Buy every 2 months, you'll get a box. All right. If you guys found this video helpful, thumbs up, right? If you like seeing this cat, Levi, give the thumbs up. Give the thumbs up. Yeah. Say hi to Levi. If you don't want to say hi to me, say hi to Levi. All right? All right. I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.